guys, welcome back to the channel. This is vlog episode 9 and this morning I've come out to a place called Castleton here in the Peak District National Park. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, so we're going to catch a sunrise under a big hill called Mam Tor. So the plan for this morning is to scale Mam Tor, which is sort of what I'm doing now, and then we'll come down off Mam Tor down here. We'll come across the Great Ridge. There's a really famous gate there that a lot of photographers like to get pictures of, so we'll be grabbing one of them. Then we'll make our way over there, over to something called Back Tor, which is just here. So stick around, it's going to be a good one. Let's get into it. Right, we've got one last steep bit to do, and then we're at the top, and we'll take in those views. There's a strong chance you can't hear me, but this is the top of Mam Tor. Right, so that was the top of Mam Tor. I think it's about 571 metres up, something like that. It's pretty windy this morning. I'd normally fly the drone, but I think it'd get blown away. Right, we're going to carry on down the main ridge now and get that photo of the famous Peak District Gate. Let's go for it. Right, made it. So behind me is the famous Peak District Gate that I wanted to get a picture of. If you follow any accounts, on Instagram that are about the Peak District, maybe Castleton, Mam Tor, the Great Ridge. You'll see lots of pictures in all the different seasons, sunrise, sunset, of this gate. So I want my take on it, so let's get that shot. So for a little while, this gate actually disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. There must have been like a month or so on my Instagram feed where people were getting this shot, but the gate was just gone. So was it stolen? It looks like they've since replaced it with a new one. But if you know what happened to the gate, let me know down below in the comments. Right, so instead of heading all the way along the Great Ridge and then up to Mam Tor like I originally said, I think instead I'm going to make my way sort of back towards Mam Tor, and I can show you the collapsed road which is down under there. Let's go do that. If you want this place all to yourself, you want to be turning up sort of 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning ideally, because I mean it's only 7 o'clock now, but there's various people starting to turn up and line the ridge. It's a very popular spot in the Peak District, lots of walkers, lots of people out on holiday, so yeah, if you want to get here and have it to yourself, you want to get here early. Right, we're coming up on the collapsed road. It's a pretty good viewpoint from up here actually. So that used to be a road. Now the thing about Mam Tor is this is all basically one giant landslip. So over the years I believe that they tried to sort of repair the road quite a bit, and eventually, I think it was in sort of the 70s, they just sort of gave up and this route was completely cut off, so you can't drive down there anymore. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed our little look at Mam Tor and the Great Ridge. If you did enjoy this video, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification icon, and that way you'll know the next time that I upload another video. I've got loads more videos just like this coming out very soon, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.